Go grab your favorite bowl and basket ingredients and let's make Irish soda bread. Here's a quick look at what you'll need. I found all of the bowl and basket items at my local ShopRite. Now first things first, let's preheat the oven to 400 degrees. In the first bowl, we're going to add the egg and the buttermilk. Once it's all added, you can give it a good whisk and then set it aside. In a separate bowl, we're going to add the flour, granulated sugar, baking soda, and salt all together. Give it a good whisk to make sure that you're evenly distributing all of those ingredients. Set that bowl aside and grab a cutting board. We're going to slice up our 5 tablespoons of butter and then cube it. Once you've cubed the butter, we're going to add it into our flour mixture. And then using a fork or your fingers, we're just going to cut the butter in. There's a lot of flour in this mixture, so just do your best to cut the butter in so that the butter becomes a pea-sized crumb. If you're choosing to use pecans, just chop them up and then add them to the flour mixture along with the raisins. Whisk it all together until it's fully incorporated. Pour in your egg and buttermilk mixture. Gently fold it into the flour mixture until it becomes too stiff to stir. Transfer your dough to a floured surface. With floured hands, knead the dough together until the flour has been combined. If your dough is still a bit sticky, add a little bit more flour. Then you can shape it together before you transfer it to your skillet. If you don't have a cast iron skillet, you can certainly use a loaf pan. Using a sharp knife, just score an X into the top of the dough. Bake it in the oven for about 45 minutes or until it looks like it is completely cooked through. Once it's nice and golden brown on the top, your Irish soda bread is done. You can serve this warm or at room temperature. Add any preferred toppings and enjoy. This bread is so easy to make and it is super delicious for your St. Patty's Day celebration.